In this video, we're going to sing melody paths over the chords of the minor blues, 6 minor, 2 minor, and 3 minor. And we're going to use a jam track from lesson 13 of IFR Jam Tracks Level 3, which has a very simple structure of just 4 measures, which is going to allow us to focus mostly on the feelings of the chords. But if you are also interested in exploring these 3 chords in the context of a 12-bar blues form, you can find that and much more in the IFR Blues Mastery course. So the tempo of the jam track we're going to use is quite slow, and it gives us the perfect opportunity to go deep into feeling the sounds, the chords. So the line flows like this. 6, 2, 6, 3. So we start in the 6th chord. Here, note 6 is the tonal center, so we feel very relaxed, we feel like this is the home chord. 6, then the 2 chord, 2, feels suspended, we feel like we've been pulled away from the tonal center. 6, 2, and we feel that we couldn't finish here, it doesn't feel resolved. 2, and our ear feels attracted to go back to the 6th chord. 6, and here we feel like home again. And then, in the last measure, we are pulled away even further from the tonal center. And the 3 chord leaves the phrase unresolved. 6, 2, 6, 3. And here we're really drawn to resolve all that back to the top, to the 6th chord. 6, 2, we're going to go deep into this chord singing melody paths together. And maybe the first time you watch this video, you're going to need to just sing along with me. Try to find a nice intonation and a nice voice. But the second time around, the second time you watch this video, you can also sing along with me. But this time, instead of just producing sound, you are producing and receiving. You are taking in all these sounds, all these chords, and try to perceive this journey, this musical journey in the background, and how nicely the notes that you're singing harmonize with them.